Welcome to Learning SQL on Azure. My name is Raphael. We've already downloaded and utilized the SSMS, the GUI, to interact with our SQL Server on premises. We have other ways, of course, to interact with Azure platform, and one of them is the Azure Data Studio GUI. So I want you to copy this link and go to your browser and then just paste it. Here you'll see we've got the various operating systems that we can install this on. We're going to use the recommended user installer, so click on this Windows platform and click on Save File. And it just takes a few seconds to install. Left click, then right click, open. And as you can see, I've already installed it, but I'm going to double click the Azure Studio setup. So just click on it, accept the terms. This will literally just take about a minute. And as I said, this is just another way of interacting both with the on-premises and the Azure. And this is a little more robust, but the SSMS is a great tool, and we're going to be using that also. So click on Next, create a short desktop icon. That's fine, and go next. Just accept the defaults, install. I've already installed it, so it may just take a second to install. So as you can see, it shouldn't take that long to install this, but let's see, we can minimize all that. And there we go. It's probably going to overwrite because I already installed it on my desktop. As you can see, I've already got the Azure Data Studio icon. So in this video, all I'm going to do is just open the Azure Studio, and then we'll talk about it later in detail when we get into the Azure. So click on Finish, and it will launch automatically, and then we are good to go. So at this point, all we're doing is setting up the environment that we need to interact with on-premises and interact with Azure. So the next thing we have to do after this is create a Azure account, which we do need to access Azure. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it here. I'll be going over these, how to navigate this environment, this Azure Data Studio, and interact with SQL Server, both on premises and on Azure Cloud. So we'll do that in the next video, but right now, we're just getting preparations. So I'm just going to leave it there. We'll continue with the next video. So my name is Raphael, and this is Learning SQL on Azure. See you in the next video.